I'm mixing up my bug potion. Tea tree oil and alcohol, so that we're prepared for clearing out debris around the poop tree. Best bug repellent ever.
YouTube family. I don't know what day it is. How many days has it been?
I think this is day 6.
I was thinking more like 7 or 8.
Is this day 7?
I don't know. But anyway, in the comments, the most we really heard about in the comments of a couple videos ago was the poop tree. And that's gonna be the name of the tree. I know other people had other ideas, but it's the poop tree. So we decided to dedicate the day to the poop tree. We
are gonna pay off this land with the poop tree.
No, the poop tree's staying.
Everybody was commenting, like, letting us know that that poop tree would pay off this land for us. Now, I'm not saying that that's not true, because I did look up burl trees, and you can make some good money off of burls.
And you can make some very good, very nice wood turning projects out of it.
And if a tree has multiple burls, they're right. It's worth some good money.
Yeah.
But we care about the poop tree.
Yep.
So we figured, why not take the time to clear out around the poop tree.
Yeah, we're gonna start clearing all this out, and we're gonna dedicate the day to clearing out around the poop tree.
But I want to show you what is around the poop tree. This is not gonna be fun.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be treacherous.
So around the poop tree is stuff like this. This is like Sleeping Beauty briars here.
Yeah, lots of briars, stuff,
Like
and
this, so it's not gonna be all that fun.
and a lot of other crazy growing stuff. A lot of crazy stuff like this, but we've seen another bush tree kind of like this down here that we actually were saying that we would like to keep.
Yes. And I would like to know what kind it is.
Yeah, it is cool, but this one is too close to the poop tree, so it's got to go. And it's ugly. It's ugly anyway. It's all crazy. So we want to just come out here and clear out a bunch of this craziness. Of course, like we've been doing, we want to clear it out, blow all the leaves down into the valley, and just make it clear and give the poop tree some room. So like usual, we're gonna leave the bigger trees and cut down a bunch of just brushy stuff.
So I'm thinking all this stuff that's twisted and gnarled, all of these just dead sticks and briars and thorns, they gotta go, because the poop tree needs ample space to breathe and grow. Oh, by the way, I looked up this one, and this one's about 4 feet wide. And I'm just saying, like, the 4 feet wide ones go for, around, $1,000. So I'm just saying they weren't crazy when they were saying this.
Yeah, well, I mean, if it were to ever die and get dangerous or get struck by lightning or something, of course we would do that, but I'm not going to kill it.
Yeah.
I'm not going to cut it down and kill it because I like it a lot.
Yeah.
So that tree is definitely going to stay for the rest of its life. So we'll just
even though it could pay off our land and get us out of debt.
Yeah, but for the rest of its life, it's going to be here and probably be fed quite a few coffee grounds and a lot of love. It's going to get a lot of hugs. And
it'll have a beautiful cabin sitting right beside it.
It'll possibly have a nice little cabin beside of it where you could sit here, camp on the porch, and look at the poop tree. Exactly why I want acreage. Just for that, right there. This little boy, to keep him happy.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Clean up this whole area and make it our little campground.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
So we looked up the Gregorian tree, and he turns out that it is a beech tree.
Poop tree is a beech tree as well.
Those leaves are different, babe.
No, I think that's right.
Remember, the beech tree was like shaped like that.
Yeah, you're right.
So this could be a maple.
That kind of does. Yeah, it looks like a maple. It does look like a maple.
Yep. So we think, I guess the poop tree could be a maple.
I think the poop tree. You don't even understand why that just blew my mind.
Yeah.
Do you know what they said about burls? They were like, maple is one of the most expensive burls just because of the way that it.
Wow, I love you, poop tree. I love you, poop tree. Hang in there, man, so we don't have to sell you.
So if this is a maple, which I'm thinking you're right, Chris. I actually think you are right.
Well, I guess we gotta walk right back down to a Gregorian tree because and make sure those leaves are.
Oh no, the Gregory tree is different. It does not have leaves like that.
Yeah.
It's different.
And it's a different kind of bark too. That's what I noticed when I was looking up. I'm like, whoa, that's a different kind of bark. And
yeah.
I was like, oh, those are different leaves.
So this knot in particular, this is the one that they said is just, I mean, people pay a lot of money, and it has large knots all up and down it, but this one in particular, I mean, they make tables, I mean, there's so many things that they make out of the burl.
The bark on the Gregorian tree, if I'm saying that right, looks more like a birch, and the beech tree actually looks a lot like the birch tree.
Yeah. But it does not have the paper on the outside. A birch tree has paper on the outside.
Yeah, but it has the leaves shaped like that. And these have more of the maple-looking leaves. So, awesome. So,
right now, the poop tree is looking... It needs some sunshine, it needs some fresh air, and it needs to breathe because... if it can actually get the space to spread its roots and breathe and get some sun, who knows, those burls might be worth a lot more in a couple years. So we gotta think more for the future. Even though we might really have a hard time cutting down the poop tree at this point. I think we love the poop tree.
Likely the life of mine will burn out. The mountains where I spend my rambling years. I paid my sins from the poor traveling days. Oh Lord, please, can't you hear my prayers? So I rode my body up the mountain to a place where I can sit my rocking chair. I rode my body up the mountain, and I'm never going back again, I swear. Likely the son of mine will be found in the mountains where I'm born and raised. I paid my duty at the sunny side of Cutie. Oh Lord, hear the soul in my heart. I rode my body up the mountain to a place where I can sit my rocking chair. I rode my body up the mountain, and I'm never going back again, I swear.
Dang, we've done some major clearing out. It's looking pretty dang nice out here. It's awesome you can see the poop tree so good from sitting over there now.
Yeah, looks great. And we discovered like there's a nice flat spot over here for a tent spot.
Yeah. Or Jason and Angie's pop-up.
Yeah. But this right here is a mega bitch. This is like a nest full of thorns. It's literally just tangled on itself, running this way and that, really hard to pull out. I'm hoping that, I don't know, I guess I just need some gloves and pull it. I'd rather just burn this nest, but I don't think we can control it like that. But it's looking good.
Stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. Said I love you forever. We can make it together. What goes up must come down. There's lots of friendly faces all around, and nothing's ever lifting me higher than a touch of your desire. Well, we're all built to lie. We just have to hold on through the night. As long as we are watching the fire, we'll be safe from the devil's choir. I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. Yeah, yeah. When things go wrong, it's easy to sing a sad song. Seems like nothing comes for free. Yeah. And it won't take a lot.
A woman walking around with a dangerous weapon to show me the world's largest vine in your Pac-Man pants, making me want to play Pac-Man.
Alright, so I brought Chris down here to show him the world's craziest vine. I've actually never seen a vine like this before.
I've had a few break on me.
Oh, really?
We'll just put it that way.
Alright, let me,
They don't work like the Tarzan movies. They do for a little bit sometimes. Might get a good swing or two out of them.
It might take me a second to locate it. It's tough when you see something
And you can't
and you don't
remember
know
where
exactly
it was.
where. No, you can't. But I'll find it.
I found it!
Look at this thing.
Dang.
Look at how far up it goes. Look.
Wow, yeah, it is. Holy cow. Shake it again. Dang.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Are you sure that's a fight?
That is, I mean, I don't even know what you'd use that. It seems like you could use that for something.
Let me get up this thing.
But that's gotta be, I don't really know how, I don't know how to like calculate feet. But that's a lot of feet
Yeah.
of,
100 foot.
yeah. Like if you have a vine that's that long all in one piece, I'm just saying.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Could be a pretty cool fence or something.
Yes, something. We could do something cool with it.
Railing, porch rail, all kinds of stuff you could do with that.
But there's no spiky things on it.
Look at this.
Dang, there's another one.
What?
That's a couple of them.
Let me see how hard this thing goes.
Dang.
Elion, you ever seen a forest fire?
I'm a forest fighter.
That's a forest fire. Well, looks like these trees will be taken care of in no time.
Yeah. That got a little scary there for a second.
I'm in my toasted bed, Mama.
Hey, Elion,
Yes.
you keep wanting to build your own house and your own fort, and you want to play around the fire and crawl through the leaves and stuff, which is not very safe. So how about we put up your own tent?
Yeah!
All right, let's do it.
Yeah!
Watch the clock ticking off the wall.
You pick a really good spot, and we'll set it up.
Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself. Be someone else. No one stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.
Please tell me what are you gonna think it's gonna look like?
Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine. And I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks.
I would say it took us how many hours to burn all that?
Couple.
It was about 3-4 hours.
Been a while.
So that took quite a part of our day.
Burned a lot of it.
Yeah, a ton of it. A ton of it's gone.
And it looks really nice now. You can actually see the poop tree.
And you could see the sunshine. Oh my gosh, I could never see the sunshine before. All of it's gone. One day at a time. Oh, and the best part? Here's the best part. This kid never rests. He never sleeps. It's amazing what this place can do. All of our souls are at rest. Now that's a fire.
Dang, right? Look, we done burned the whole freaking pile pretty much. Look,
Oh yeah,
pile's
we
gone.
don't play around. The poop tree will live to see another day. And one day,
Taking care of it.
one day it's gonna be a beautiful, serene little hillside right there with a cabin overlooking the poop tree.
Oh, Dominic Rinaldi wanted a shout out because he came up with, instead of the bonfire, it's the bond fire
What?
for bonding.
Aww.
Bond fire.
Aww.
So shout out to Dominic
It's about time.
for bond fire.
Shout out, Dominic.
He's been waiting, and I'm glad I was looking at Facebook so I would remember. Because I just read his comment. Dominic Rinaldi, I see evidence of a bonfire. Now it's just little old Hollie in. Oh, LOL. Place looking good, Chris. Thanks,
Aww. Well, I guess he has an invitation. You really like it in your little tent, huh?
Yeah, I got it from the P.O. box.
From Pauline White, right?
Yes. Abra got his own light.
That's like the best little present ever.
And
you have your own fire pit.
yeah, and it has a fire and wood and then lots of stuff on it. I love it.